guys, I aim to do quick garden videos, and today's video is about tomatoes. If this helps you, or if you like this video and want to share with somebody, please subscribe and please like the video. So it's a little noisy. I'm in the city. Literally, you can see downtown from my backyard. But it's about tomato plants. These were 2 small tomato plants, and I'm getting a ton of harvest, and I will explain how. Hey guys, so this year I wanted to do some easy gardening. I have not did any weeding or anything, but I just wanted to do easy gardening this year, so I have not trellised or anything my tomatoes. So the story behind these tomatoes, they were 2 for 10 at Sprouts, and so they were little tiny tomato plants, and I just planted them in here with the green beans and carrots, since they pair really well together. They grow really well together. So what I've been doing, and like I said, this is only from 2 little tomato plants that were 2 for 10. I did mix worm castings when I planted it, but that is about it. So I didn't do any of, I know there's a saying, you know, you want to pick the suckers and all of that. I really don't see any on my tomatoes, but what I have been doing is when they're green like this, so this is the standard size for this tomato plant, I just go ahead and pick it. So I have a picture on Facebook and on my Instagram of all the tomatoes we've picked just from these 2 plants, and as you can see, they're loaded with even more tomatoes, even down on the ground. And also another thing about tomatoes, I let the water dry out so I don't keep it soggy, and then when I have my tomato blossoms right here, I just do that. That's all I do. And I just come wiggle them whenever I pass by, and I have a ton of tomato plants. So I know everybody has their tricks and different things, and this area gets full sun. So our whole bowl of tomatoes that we harvested one time, I just picked them, I set them in a shady spot so you don't have to sit them out in the sun. Once you pick them and they're green, just sit them in a shady spot somewhere in your kitchen, and they'll start to turn. So you'll see I also have little cherry tomatoes that I've also picked when they were green, and they're turning red. So the reason I picked the tomatoes why they are green is because I don't want to stress the plant, and I've been seeing a lot of success and good production with doing that. And like I said, they're jumbled in here, so they do, I guess, kind of shade each other, because I have carrots growing, I have green beans also growing in here, but the tomatoes are loaded. So those are my tips. Plant them with worm castings, and also keep them moist but not overly wet, and then pick your tomatoes while they're green, and they'll easily come off. So depending on your size tomato plant, you'll pick your tomatoes while they're green, and then after you pick them, just set them in the shade somewhere in your kitchen and let them turn red. All right, hope this helps.